Hey you guys, happy Monday night. How are you? Do you struggle with trying to find easy, quick recipes that are healthy? I do too, and that's why I started doing this several years ago, is quick and easy, healthy meals ready for you. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Tonight we are actually gonna be making a cauliflower potato salad. So it is a low carb version of a regular potato salad. My name is Faren. I'm your fitness pro and meal prep expert, and let's get going. So what I did here is I pre-did some cauliflower. I pre-chopped it up, so it's in little florets here, and then I boiled it for about 2 to 3 minutes just so it was softened, and I drained it really well because you want the dressing to stick to it. So now something else you can do is you can also add some regular potatoes mixed in here. This is just a totally lower carb version. It's great for any barbecue, any parties you're hosting, or if you're taking a meal out with you to someone's house. So I've done that here. So all we're gonna do is I have everything else ready to go. I hard boiled up 4 eggs and chopped them up. So I have 4 egg whites in here, and we're just gonna mix this into our salad. You can pretty much add anything to this salad as long as you have the cauliflower base. So you can add what you normally would add if you were making a regular potato salad. So I've added the egg whites, I've kept the yolks out, and then I'm gonna add, we have here a cup of some celery for some crunch, as well as a half a cup of dill pickle. So this is my secret ingredient. I don't know if it's mine or if it's my mom's, but it makes the potato salad, cauliflower salad, taste amazing. So we're gonna add that in like that. And then that's pretty much the main ingredients. Then we are going to add in the dressing. So instead of using a higher fat mayonnaise or something like that, we're gonna add our own dressing. So we're just gonna use a little bit of Dijon Mustard. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons here. It's Dijon Mustard. This is so easy. I used 1 pot. Literally, I cooked the cauliflower first, drained it, let it sit for a bit, and then I cooked the eggs in the same pot. So super easy, no mess here. So we have added in the Dijon Mustard. Then we're gonna add in some plain non-fat Greek yogurt here. So this is in place of your higher fat dressing that usually comes with a potato salad, which is usually mayonnaise. So we're gonna add in a whole thing of this. This is only 90 calories, so you're not getting a lot of calories in this. So we're gonna mix that around. And now if you don't have dill pickles, what you could do is you could also use some dill weed spice too. So that's another alternative. And in fact, I may just use a little bit of it just to kind of add some color to it, some more green. And then we're gonna finish this off with some salt here and some pepper, and then we are done. That is it. So if you guys try this, definitely let me know in the comments below. And you can also subscribe to my channel. I do these every Monday night. It's Monday night meal prep. So thank you so much for watching. Here is our finished salad. Look how good that looks. A nice low carb option to regular potato salad. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.